Everyone. All right. If you guys have been following my channel, I just did the unboxing of the OnePlus Open. This was amazing. I've been using this for like a couple days now. But one thing I forgot to mention, so when I bought this, it actually came with these OnePlus Buds Pro 3 for free. It was included in the purchase. So if you bought this, and I don't know if the deal is still going on, but if you got a OnePlus Open, then you got the OnePlus Buds Pro included for free. So today we're going to be doing. I unboxed this last night, so today we're going to be unboxing the OnePlus Buds Pro 3. And I'm excited about this one. I've read a lot of great things about it. And if you do have like a OnePlus device, apparently the sound quality is going to be really, really good on it. I don't know, you know, if that's like software or, why that is, but I'm excited to open it. So let's go ahead and get started. So one thing I did read about this. So I got this one in the black colorway, Midnight Opus, which I do think right now, as of what day is today? As of December 20th, 2024, these ones are, I don't know if they're sold out or they're just no longer available for the free promotion. But yeah, I got it. I want to say I ordered these. Um, Probably a week ago, and it took maybe about a week to get here. Um, Maybe a little over a week. I don't remember actually. I know that right now for the holidays it is kind of hectic for packages. So nice thick box, never settle. What's inside here? So inside this kind of sleeve is just the safety and warnings manual. Is there anything else in here? It doesn't look like there is. Okay. So, and then we have the buds themselves. And it has that nice, go ahead and bring that up. These are the buds themselves. So that's nice, kind of like brushed aluminum looking. It's plastic, but it has like a brushed aluminum look to it. And then it has that same faux leather. It has that same faux leather that's on the back of the OnePlus Open. So nice, nice continuity there. Buds open up really nicely. I like the sound of the. Let me see if I can kind of get that sound. So that's a really nice kind of click, or I guess closing sound. It reminds me exactly of the closing sound of that. It reminds me. It's not the same at all, actually. Um, but I am excited to try these on, co-created with Dyn Audio. What else is in the box? Okay, so we have what looks like a charging cable. That's kind of hard to get out. We have what looks like a charging cable, USB A to USB C. It looks like fairly short cable. I mean, I don't even. That might be. I don't even know inch wise or centimeters wise what size that would be. That's a really small cable. To be honest, I just use a standard cable. Um, I wouldn't even bother with that personally. It's just too small. I guess like if you have like a something that you wanted a smaller cable, it does come with that small cable. So, and then it comes with the uh, the ear. How do I open this without damaging it? Can I open this without damaging it? Yes, I can. Okay. So the replacement, I guess, what are these buds? It doesn't really say what they are, but it does have the replacement ones for the different sizes. So large, small, and extra small. So I assume that the medium is already installed. So 3 sizes plus the 4th size that are already pre-installed. So not much else in this box actually. So we'll go ahead and put these back. We'll put this in there, and we'll probably just, what do I want to do with this? I'll probably just put this adhesive back on, just like so. All right, and then put that, I think it was this way. No, it was this way. I don't really think, let me see. Yeah, these, oh, okay, this is a user guide as well. So it's both a user guide and a warranty. So I thought there would be 2, but it doesn't look like it. So, but it does, yeah, it does say medium already on there. So you can see ear caps. That's what they're called, ear caps. So easy enough. Excited to use it. That's it for my unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Pro 3. I'm going to use these for a few days while I work out, and then just kind of while I'm around the house. And I'll let you guys know how they are in my review. But that, so far, that's my unboxing and first impressions. I really like the texture of it, right? I don't know if it doesn't feel like it's going to come out. So I have a few headphones that when I, like, if you were to drop them, right, the earbuds will kind of pop out. This doesn't feel like they would. The only thing that I feel like shaking it is like the cap might close. But other than that, they feel very secure in there. Let me see if I pull one out. Yeah, very magnetic feeling. Fits very snug in the case. The case kind of takes on fingerprints on the leather, but only for a little bit, and then it kind of goes away. But the nice case, this side doesn't really get fingerprints, so you can touch it all you want. I'm going to wipe it down after this, but it doesn't seem to be retaining fingerprints. But I love the way it looks, and I love the continuity that it kind of has with the OnePlus case. So that's my unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.